Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's a Friday and I'm going to show you some update. And today, what was my last video? I think it's about the main door installation. Okay, this week, what else did we do? Oh, we put some tiles on our stairways, and over here at the lanai, and oh, they also spray some varnish on our tugas. So I want to show you what it looks like. This one, see, it's beautiful. You see, it's beautiful. So this has been varnished for, I think this is only for one coat. So that's been varnished, and that area has been varnished. This side, they're still finishing it because our wood just arrived the other day. And that area, this one right here, it's been varnished all over the top. Tiles. That's nice. Pila pa ni kabalik ani nila doon? Usa pa no? Usa pa primer pa. This is just a primer coating. So they still have to redo this. And they usually sand it first before they do the second varnish. I'll show you up there, but I can't get in. So this one here, oh, this. There's tiles, Janin. It's nasty right now, but there's tiles. It's been varnished. The Europas are back for the final touch. Oh, put some handles. Nice. And this one, because this is kind of like a bedroom, private bedroom, so this one has its own key. The key, the villas has this, and so we're doing the final touch and cleaning. Oh, this is nice. Look at the handle of this. See, I don't know if this is done yet, finished yet, so I don't know. Okay. And this is the lock for the latches there. I will show you. I don't know if you can see, but that's the lock of this. So it's when you press this, all the doors are locked. Okay, and they're finishing the first floor villas walling. We do all the final touch. Other things going on. Okay, the stairs. Yay! Down here. The stairs. Gimingaw siya kasabang ng kunsing. Okay. Okay. So this, we do the final cleaning. The doors. Masuk ka nagdadi mo inyong kaugaling. Na di po may kaugaling ng ana do no. Nice. Oh. Nice. So they're removing all their all the stickers. I think that's what it is. And clean up all the windows. Butangan pa min nato sa kwando ang katong screen.
Oh, nakadaan ko engineer.
Dang engineer na. Masi nga nating engineer daw.
Junal?
Junal? Tag makasakay to siya rong gabi, yung sakay sa kinahanglan yun kay mag-lockdown na batag May 4. Magawas gito siya mga May 3 dire. May 2. Kay di gali matanggong gito si Jag.
Kami ko di ko litre. Dire ra usul gito sila.
Asa mabini?
Oo.
Mao ba?
Sa mga pista man ito, wala ginilagay pa sila kuan.
Pista di po mabini?
Pero kuan, 4 o 5.
Ama o di ay? Oh iyay. Malakdown di pud mo ani ron. Apil day mo ani. Sa mga lockdown. This is for the fan, for the bathroom. Our bathroom has its own fans. That's Mike's things. Whatever Mike wants, Mike's get. So that's what he wants. I'm so happy that they're cleaning all that. That's gonna be nice, guys, whenever they remove all the stickers. It's a beautiful day today, as you can see. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, here, this area, they also, we use a different type of varnish in this one. It's an outdoor varnish, and it's a different type. It's because it's not just an outdoor, it's also exposed with the sun. So the one I got is a different brand. I'm gonna show you, different from what they're using. They're using a Hudson. Hudson is made by Boysen, and this one is, I got this from the what you call, the varnish from BQ Builderware, and that's what they offer me to use for this kind of, you know, situation that it's gonna be exposed to the sun. It's a little bit expensive than the usual that we're using, but I think it's gonna be worth it because it is exposed to the sun. See, it's shining. It's nice, right, guys? I was the one who picked the design of this one. I just have to say it. Okay, so we'll go down here. This area just needs to be grouted, and of course needs to be cleaned, and everything now is just cleaned up. So this one is nice, nice and shiny, and I'll show you the varnish that we use for that one. That one is 2-in-1. It's a sealer and a varnish. So I'm glad that the stairs turns out to be turns out nice. It's a good combination. Hold on. See the color of the stairs. This is the one that we used. This one right here. It's an automotive paint. So, but this is the one that said it's a titanium. The manager explained that this is both a sealer and a varnish. So, see, this is how much? 500. Oh gee, I forgot the price. It's less than 600 pesos. So they have to mix this. And yes, we have a sprayer. We got a spray gun, and that's what that's the one they're using. So it's an easy job for them to use that one. So here, as you can see, draw 9.
Len, ano ito kung gamay ko andi?
Ano sabi na doon? Butangan na mo kuan? Skim coat na. All the sides is gonna be skim coat. Here. We're not going to put a tile because I don't like to look at the tiles on the side. It looks, for me, it just looks cheapy to put tiles. Put some skim coat and just use the use the paint that we're using for the house. It's cleaner that way. I like it that way.
Ano ko niya ating taga sun o pulira ba?
So, what else? I think, oh, the door is fixed. So here's our door. Ding, ding. This is the handles of our door. So, here's the door. It's nice. Matches with the handle. These are the Europa guys. Oh, look at this. They also installed the handle for the outdoor. For this one. Pwede na nako oblihon? Ah. See, this is the glass door. And they just installed the handle. So, that's the lock, I guess. Final touch for the paint inside. So boys has different job. Oh, I will show you our main gate. They're spraying our main gate. Mama has. Saan namang ibang buak man na madar? Mama has new collections of.
Kami pantabon daan eh.
Nang daghang mga binuak ba nga buak baya dito?
Wa may mga binuak dito ba? Ano man binuak sa kurba?
Lag forma. Ipakat-kat unta nimong kuan.
Ina lang oy.
This is nice. Yeah.
Langan to nila.
Isn't it nice? That's our new babies.
Kini bang sa kuan sa pansa CR. Boy, lig uno.
Ha?
May ligon ka duga sa nga naon.
Uy, imong gipang gamiton para ba na nato ma?
Kini.
Oo.
Gamit na kun nako.
Namura.
Ay dagan dito na.
Okay. I'll show you. Mama's busy with her. I'll show you our main gate. Oh, this one has flowers. It's summer. Hello, whale. Oh, see, they use the spray. It's our gate. It's quick. They use the sprayer. Tara ako. See?
Oh. May hangin.
See my flowers?
May sod. Isa.
And this is a small gate here.
Bali-bali din yung buwak dito.
Naanak ko yung napalitan na pero daing design na. Kay nahutda naman na siya. Okay na po kay sa pikas like design niya sa din like design. Sama po Christopher. Oh, ginoo ko Christopher. This is our main gate here.
Ito.
Use the spray gun. That's what we use for them. We got this That one over in City Hardware. It's a Houseman. It's 6,800 for that one. But that's a 3/4, not just a 1/2. So it's a powerful
Wow.
spray. Mana na ilas niya?
Tumayo ang primary oh.
Ha?
Ay di man pagi papahiran sa itong pag poksyan eh.
Ay, oo.
Ha?
Hindi na magkuan eh.
Pagi poksyan to no. Asa man?
Ano man ang apil kanang to nga.
Ay gamay. Ha?
Okay.
Pagi poksyan ipaapil at pagi poksi.
Para color ba pod?
Awan ibang siguro ni taon.
Di oy, di na.
Ha?
Di na.
Kato may dito may wa pa.
Pinta na lang gid ngani karamel. Tawo yung kaya.
Oh. Kaamura po kahoy ba?
Lay.
Itali na ninyo karamel.
Hoy.
Pero, so this week everybody's in a full blast, guys, because looks like next week we have to move in, maybe on the 10th, until we'll have to be here until the 15th. So we're gonna start crawling here on the 10th. Nice. Nindot na tanaw na. Look at that, guys. They remove their cover, their sticker, and it looks nice. It's cleaner. Ambot na sa Anton kanang yang trabaho na siya. Sige naga. Tricolor. Ning angay ni si Ani. Mainintad siya gamay pero ning angay di siya. Para buyag. Still have to. Da para ba in town Ariet? Jong. Ari pa kalimti ni Boyet ring diri school kilid do.
Ma'am,
Akaring kilid.
isunod lang na gawas na mo.
Mao lagi. Sud.
Buyit di ka
Si Buyet. Okay, thank you for watching, and that's the update of our construction here in the Bohol, Guindulman, Bohol, Philippines. Thank you guys, and God bless.